today it's another makeup video. It's a fall warm makeup look because you know we're getting into the fall season. Even though there's no fall in Guam or Thailand, Halloween's coming up, everything is orange and brown. So today makeup look is a warm fall autumn kind of look. I've decided to do this video in English as well. It's my first English video. If there's any mistake in my English, I'm so sorry. English is not my mother tongue, but then I'm not that good at speaking Thai either. Hope you enjoy it. I've gotten really tan staying here, so I don't know if this foundation is going to match me anymore. I hope it does because I love it. It's the Dior Forever Skin Glow and this shade is 1W, which is like pretty light, but it probably won't match my skin, but hopefully it's not too obvious. So I'm just gonna pipe it on my hand. I tend not to use like that much foundation because I heard if you use a lot of foundation, it gets really cakey, and the more foundation you put on, the more it will come off during the day. So I put on only a little bit and I take a makeup brush, just dab it on there. Oh my god, it's really light. Dab it and make sure it's evenly on your brush. And I'm just gonna apply it to my face very thinly. Like everything is fall themed now, even though there's no fall in Guam or in Thailand. Make sure you evenly apply it. Hopefully I have the energy to put subtitles on this video. I'm going to put some on my neck as well because I want to make it the same color. So this is one of my favorite foundation because it gives a glowy look, but the finish is semi-matte, not oily. Because I have some like glowy cushion, glowy foundation, but when I use it, it tends to be super oily during the day. So after I applied my foundation with a brush, I'm gonna take a sponge. It's gonna get some more foundation, just a little bit on my hand, and then make sure it's even. It's gonna use it and go over my whole face again, just to get rid of the brush strokes. I'm usually someone who spends so much time doing my base makeup because there's a lot of discoloration, like my under eyes, like lines right here on my forehead. So next I'm gonna do my concealer, and I'm using Hourglass in the color Fawn. Just use a little bit on your dark areas and on my scars. Gonna take a sponge. Sometimes the sponge is too big and I find it hard to like go into the creases, so I'll just use this kind of sponge from my cushions. So around my nose I would kind of move it and drag so it doesn't get cakey. After my base is done, I'm going to put on blush, and I'm using my Tarte Parkave Princess palette. I really want to show it to you, but I dropped it. The highlighter, it's broken, so maybe I'll get a new one. I used this blush right here. It's a pink blush, but has like a brown undertone. Just gonna grab a brush, dab it there. I want this to be a natural warm look, so I want to apply it right here on the front of my cheeks. As you can see, guys, last week I didn't post a video. I've been feeling super depressed last week, and I thought, hey, it's a nice idea if I make a video in English so you guys can see like a different side of me, I guess. I feel like when I speak English and when I speak Thai, there's like two different personalities. Not really, but a little bit though. Maybe I was trying to like speak in a polite language when I speak Thai, and I feel not that comfortable and I don't know which words to choose. I'm also gonna apply a little on my oh, that's too much. A little on my chin and on my forehead, on the tip of my nose. After that, I'm just gonna use the same palette but the bronzing shade and slightly angled brush, put it on the frame of my face to give it a little more color because this foundation is kind of light. So this will warm it down, make it match my skin more. I've been gaining a lot of weight living here, so I've been really concerned about that. Trying to be happy with my body. I work manual labor, so I use a lot of energy during the day, and then I also go to the gym and start lifting weights. So I've been eating a lot more. I've been trying to control my eating, so hopefully I can feel more confident in my body. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, same bronzing shade, and try to shade my nose. It's gonna go down like this, both ways. Kind of make a triangle over here and another triangle over here. See, like one, two, a triangle, and just an O shape on the tip of my nose. It's a little dark, so I'll take the sponge I use for concealer and just lightly tap on it. And with the area, I do not apply a powder product, blush, or the bronze. I will take this finishing powder by Canmake, put it on my under eyes, forehead, just the oily places. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with the brow gel. I'm using this Thai brand called For You Too Brow Coat. Gonna lightly brush my brows, push it down a bit. I'm using brow pencil by a Thai brand as well, which is called Brow Knit. It's a Pro Slim brow pencil in the color Natural Brown. I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not going to draw them super sharp or anything. Just on the tip, just a little bit. Also on this side. I feel like my eyebrows are so hard to fill in because they're not really like equal. Next, I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Dior the Backstage Eye Palette in 003 Amber Neutral. All these shades are super perfect for the fall season. So I'm just gonna get a little fluffy brush here and go in with the middle color, which is it's a shimmer in red copper. Just gonna lightly and then apply it all over my lid. A little bit goes a long way. It's super pigmented, so I'm just gonna use a bit and trying to blend it in. My eyes are really short and like round, so when I do my eyeshadow, I always pull it to the back to elongate my eyes a little bit. Just a little so lightly. Also my under eye. Same thing with the other side. After that, I'll take a thinner brush like this and go on a darker color. I'm gonna use this brick color really lightly and try to put it on my lash line. So a little bit under my eyes. I also extend it to make it look like a eyeliner just as a guide. Where I'm gonna take this thin brush, spray it with the setting spray. I'm going to the dark color on the tip and use this as my eyeliner because I want it soft. I really don't want to use a liquid eyeliner for this. Just gonna lightly follow the shape of your eyes. Lightly like this. I'll just put it on the end of my eyes. And I'm gonna use an ink lasting gel liner. I don't know the color of this. Oh, espresso brown. Line my waterline. I really suck at this, by the way. I hate getting things in my eyes. After that, I'll just take my pinky, grab the light shade here, corner of my eyes. in the middle under my eyes, just to brighten up my eyes. I'm just gonna take a little bit and use it as a highlighter as well, because you know my highlighter is broken right now, so this is the best I've got. On the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. Next are my lashes. I'm using the Maybelline hypercurl. First, I'm just gonna... Did I get foundation on my hair? And I just washed my hair. Oh my god. It's okay. It's blending in with my highlight. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it. I would have foundation on my hair. I'm clumsy. I'm just gonna curl my lash. So mad at myself. I'm so stupid. Your under eyes as well. Next, I'm gonna take my eyeliner, and I always do this. Whatever look I do, I always put on beauty marks. So I'm just gonna follow the one I already have. And then add some new ones. There. Before I put on my lipstick, I'm going to put on some setting spray by a Thai brand, a Thai YouTuber called Saira Mirror Illuminating Face Setting Spray. Also going to do my shoulders. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm going to take the Yves Saint Laurent, the Rouge Volupt Shine in 86, which is a nudie pink color. And I'm gonna take this gloss by Kiko Milano, very orange gloss. I'm just gonna use a little bit in the middle. I use my finger to blend it. So that's it for my lips. So easy, just wanna go natural today. Usually I use like 3-4 lipstick, but just 2 today. It's the end of the video, and I just realized how messy my bed is. I feel so embarrassed. I'm done with the makeup. This look is a warm fall look, but still give you a natural kind of vibe. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll try to make a video every week. If there's any kind of video you guys want to watch, you can comment down below. That's it for the video. Hope you like it. Bye!